How you going, mate?
Yeah, not too bad. Yourself?
Not too bad. What's your name?
Darren Hubbard.
Nice to meet you. Who are you driving, Darren?
It's a HK Monaro, 1968.
Very nice.
It was built up in Queensland. I'm not exactly sure who by. It was an old berry patch car, so I think it was pretty good friends with Victor Bray, Michael Davies, who owned it. Pretty nice car, goes nice and straight.
Yeah.
So we've put a bigger motor in it for this event.
What's this motor making?
Maybe 3,000. Yeah, probably
That's a
around
good
that.
serve.
Should
How
be
long
fun.
does it take you to get down the straight?
I don't know, maybe 6-second car.
That's pretty quick. How many times have you gone out?
This is my second time tonight. Second time with this new combination. 20 passes with the last combination in it.
Still warming this combination up.
Absolutely.
Good luck and hope you smash the American.
For sure, absolutely.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.